Phoenix is very sound asleep. Brett, show us how sound asleep he is. I think he's snoring too. Very, very sound asleep.